one of the great questions is, well, why multifamily and why now? Well, to answer that, you got to rewind. A lot of the debt that was taken on in 2020 and 2021, which were two of the best years for multifamily, they were done with floating rate loans. And that's very common in the multifamily space. But those rates would adjust based upon the terms. There was a lot of 2-year, 3-year, 5-year terms on that debt. And so the actual debt is now come due for a lot of those individuals. In fact, I think it was the Mortgage Bankers Association in 2023, they assumed that it was going to be $660 billion of debt maturing. And then the Fed revised that. And when they revised that for 2024, it was over $900 billion, 41% more than what they originally thought. And so when you think about the borrower and the person who bought that asset, they're in a situation now where nobody saw last year us having an increase of interest rates by 500 basis points. And that affects their ability to rework that debt and make their deal work. So the deal could have worked great, but now they're in a situation where they have to do something. So what they've done is they've extended, and a lot of people refer to that as extend and pretend. They're kind of putting like an ostrich putting their head in the sand, but they were hopeful that they would have up to 6 rate cuts in 2024. We haven't seen those rate cuts. And so now, as we approach mid-year, they have to have those same conversations. And those extensions and deals can be hundreds of thousands of dollars, if not millions of dollars to extend. And so for a lot of these people, it's created an unprecedented time for investors that got caught off guard due to these interest rates. And it became one investor's opportunity and another investor's basic rock in their shoe, a situation that they have to solve. And so there's a lot of inventory out there right now. And all of the local brokers across North America, they know this is going on, and they're talking about it.
Higher interest rates, that really cooled off the sales market and created kind of a bid-ask spread, which is commonly heard in the news. And generally, sellers it's like kind of frustrating as a broker because, you see where the terminal rate is and you expect rates to continue rising, and you're trying to guide sellers and tell them take the deal, but they won't take the deal, and then they wait and they actually drop their price, and they're just chasing, I guess maybe you heard the term chasing a falling knife. So that's kind of what's been happening.
I got something special for all of you that want to take a deeper dive into the multifamily game. We produce a newsletter. We produce it weekly, and it's going to have insights, deals that we're looking at, we're going to be sharing with you. If you want exclusive educational content, just maybe it's us underwriting a deal, maybe it's us going out to a property and giving you our insight on that. Simply, if you just want to learn more, then our newsletter for you, it's easy to subscribe. All you got to do is go down to the description, and there's a little link. You subscribe, and we will deliver that again to your inbox. And guys, I think it's a balance of education plus us sharing what we're learning in real life. So it's behind the scenes, and it's a community of other people just like you. So if you're interested in that and you want to get into the game, then make sure you go to the description and get signed up.